How to determine if any value occurs more than twice in a list. I have a list and would like to determine if any value occurs more than twice. I've tried using collections and counter, but I cannot get those to evaluate to a single true or false value. I would like it to return true if any value occurs more than twice. Any help is appreciated, and it would really help if the solution was fast. I'm checking hundreds of thousands of lists. I'm new to programming, and this is my first post. Edit my attempts. Also, I'm new to Stack Overflow UI. Import collections.
You could always construct a histogram of the values and see if any entry is greater than 2. It could look something like this. You don't need to iterate until the end of the list, just until you've met the condition of seeing an element L appearing more than twice.
You can use collections.counter for this. Or, if you are using Python 3,
here's one way using collections.defaultIt. Like at Dvorak-Omen's method, this solution doesn't require iterating your entire list. Performance benchmarking. To demonstrate the impact, we can compare with counter on a larger iterable.
시험 처리에 저 클릭하세요.